Good morning, everyone, and a very warm welcome to today's webinar. Thank you for taking time out of your busy schedule to join us. Today's topic is decoding satellite data for farm applications from space to soil. Now, I know that word satellite data or remote sensing can sometimes sound very technical or complex. But don't worry, today's session is designed to be simply practical and relevant, especially for the real world farming decisions. By the end of this webinar, you will clearly understand what satellite data actually means for agriculture, how satellite helps us see crop health, moisture, and stress, and most important, how this data can be converted into actionable farm decisions, not just colorful maps. You don't need a technical background for this session. I will explain everything step by step in a plain language. So let's begin our journey from space all the way down to soil level decisions. Let's first understand why this topic matters today. Agriculture is no longer based only on experience or visual judgments. It is rapidly become data driven. Farmers today face challenges like unpredictable weather, rising input cost, water scarcity, and pest risk. This is where satellite plays a powerful role. Satellite continuously observes farm from space, covering large area regularly and objectively. Instead of waiting for problems to become visible in the farm, satellite data helps us detect crop stress area, reduce uncertainty in decision making, optimize water, fertilizer, and resource usage. In simple words, satellite data helps farmer reduce risk and cost while improving confidence in their decision. So, what exactly is satellite data in agriculture? Satellite orbit the earth and capture images of the land surface using different light wavelengths, some visible to our eyes and some invisible. Plants, soil, and water reflect lights differently. By analyzing this reflection, satellite can tell us how healthy crops are, whether plants are stressed, how much moisture is present, and how much conditions change over time. Think of a satellite as a remote eye in the sky, regularly checking on your farm without physically being there. This information is updated frequently and covers large area. Sometimes it is very difficult to achieve with only field visits. Traditional farming decisions often rely on visual inspection or past experience, but these methods can sometimes be error prone. For example, stress inside the plant may not be visible immediately, moisture issue may exist below the surface. Field variability is hard to access by walking. Satellite intelligence improves accuracy. It provides objective data instead of guesswork, field-wide visibility instead of spot checking, early warning instead of late reactions. This doesn't replace farmers' knowledge, it supports it with data. One of the most important aspects of farming is understanding crop growth and vigor. Crop vigor simply means how actively the crop is growing, how healthy and dense the vegetation is. Healthy crops reflect light differently than stress or weak crops. Satellite captures this difference and convert it into indices that helps us understand plant health at scale. This brings us to one of the most widely used indices in agriculture, that is NDVI. NDVI stands for Normalized Difference Vegetation Index. Without going into heavy formulas, here is the simple idea. Healthy plant absorb red light and reflect near infrared lights. Unhealthy or sparse vegetation reflect less near infrared. NDVI uses this difference to generate a value that represents crop health. Higher NDVI generally means better crop vigor, more biomass, and active photosynthesis. Lower NDVI indicates stress, poor growth, crop damage, or gaps. This index allows us to see crop conditions across the entire field, not just where we are standing. Now's the important part, how farmers interpret NDVI. NDVI maps are usually shown in colors. Green areas indicate healthy, vigorous crop. Yellow or orange suggest moderate stress. Red zone highlights severe stress or poor damage. This helps farmer identify problem zones within the field, prioritize field visits, avoid uniform treatment within the field is variable. Instead of treating the entire field the same way, NDVI enables targeted decision making. At Planet Eye Farm AI, when we talk about NDVI, we don't treat it as just another colorful map on the screen. Because a map by itself doesn't tell a farmer what to do next. What we focus on is decision support. So first, NDVI helps us clearly highlighted stress zone within a field. Instead of saying the crop looks fine overall, we can pinpoint exactly where the crop is underperforming. This is very important because most farms are not uniform. Some patches always behave differently. Second, we don't like at NDVI in isolation. We compare current crop health with historical trends. This helps answer questions like, is this stress new or recurring? Is the crop improving or deteriorating over time? Is this related to weather, irrigation or soil condition? Third, this insight supports agronomists and advisors in taking timely action. Instead of reaching after yield loss has already happened, they can intervene early, whether it's irrigation correction, nutrient management, or field inspection. So, the core philosophy here is very simple. We turn satellite data into decision, not just visuals. Water is probably the most sensitive and critical input in agriculture. When crops receive too little water, they experience stress, growth slow down, nutrient uptake reduces, and yield suffers. On the other hand, too many water is equally harmful. It can lead to root damage, fungal diseases, nutrient leaching, and even crop lodging. So the real challenges is not just irrigation, but right irrigation at the right time. This is where monitoring water uptake becomes extremely important. Water uptake tells us how effectively plants are absorbing moisture, not just where water is present in the field. By monitoring water uptake, farmers can optimize irrigation timing instead of following fixed schedules, avoid unnecessary over-irrigation, improve overall water use efficiency, which also saves electricity and labor. Satellite make this possible without physically digging the soil or visiting every part of the field. They gives us a broad, repeatable and reliable picture of how crops are responding to water. Now let's talk about NDMI, which stands for Normalized Difference Moisture Index. NDMI helps us understand the moisture condition in vegetation and the soil surface. Again, no need to remember the formula. The concept is what matters. In very simple terms, higher NDMI values indicate that the crop and soil have adequate moisture. Lower NDMI values suggest moisture stress or drying condition. What makes NDMI extremely powerful is that it can detect early moisture stress. Often, crops start experiencing water stress internally before we see visible symptoms like wilting or yellowing. So, NDMI acts like an early warning system. These early signals allow farmers and agronomists to take correct irrigation action in time, prevent long-time crop damage, maintain consistent crop growth. For irrigation planning, NDMI is one of the most valuable indicator because it shifts decision making from reactive to preventive. NDWI or Normalized Difference Water Index focuses more on water presence and water absorption by the crop canopy. While NDMI gives us moisture stress information, NDWI helps us understand surface water condition, water retention in crops, how effectively irrigation water is being absorbed. NDWI is particularly useful in situations where there are canals, ponds, or surface water nearby. Fields are flooded irrigation. Farmers want to access whether irrigation is actually benefiting the crop. It also helps identify uneven water distribution, which is common in many farms. So, NDWI complements NDMI and gives us a more complete picture of water behavior in the field. Now, when we combine NDMI, NDWI, and crop growth data, we can provide powerful irrigation decisions. Instead of irrigation based on habits or fixed data, farmers can ask data-driven questions like, does the crop really need irrigation at this stage? Which part of the field is actually under moisture stress? Are these zones where irrigation can be postponed or reduced? This is extremely important because not all parts of a field behave the same way. With satellite-based irrigation decision support system, water use becomes more efficient, electricity and pumping cost reduce, crop health is protected from both stress and excess water. Ultimately, this approach saves water, energy, and money while supporting sustainable farming. Why soil moisture matters? Soil moisture is the foundation of crop health. It directly affects root development and root activity, nutrient dissolution and uptake, crop resilience during heat or dry spell. When soil moisture balance is poor, several problems arises such as crop experience continuous stress, nutrient efficiency reduces, disease risk increases, especially root related diseases. Many crop failures don't happen suddenly. They are the results of long term improper soil moisture management. By understanding soil moisture patterns, farmers can move from reactive problem solving to preventive decision making. Satellite-based soil moisture insights give us a field-level overview that is difficult to achieve through manual method alone. These insights provide spatial patterns showing which zones are wetter or drier, temporal trend across weeks and months, strong support for irrigation scheduling decision. Instead of relying on a single soil sample or visual inspections, farmers get a consistent and repeatable assessment. Satellite insights don't replace ground observations, they complement them, improving confidence and accuracy in decision. Let's understand this with a simple and a practical use case. Imagine a farmer receives a soil moisture advisory from the system. The advisory clearly shows that some zones of the fields already have sufficient moisture, other zones are approaching moisture stress. Now, instead of irrigating the entire field uniformly, the farmer can make smarter choice. Irrigate only the zones that are actually needs water. Delay irrigation in areas where moisture is already adequate. This leads to reduced water wastage, lower energy consumption, better root health and crop performance. Over a season, these small decisions adds up to significant saving and yield stability. Okay, this slide represents the most important transition from data to decision. Raw satellite data by itself has limited values. Its true power lies in how effectively it is translated into usable insights. The translation includes clear interpretation, simple advisory, practical, and field level recommendations. This is where analytics, agronomy, and technology comes together. The goal is always to reduce complexity for the farmers, not to increase it. Actionable recommendations are the final output farmers care about. They may include irrigation alert based on moisture stress, crop stress warning for specific zones, growth monitoring updates across crop stages. The focus is always one: what action should be taken now? Not just what the data shows, but what it meant for the farmer today. Planet Eye Farm AI act as a bridge between advanced satellite technology and practical farming needs. We support farmer today. We support farmer today through continuous crop health monitoring, moisture and water related insights, decision support dashboards, simple, easy to understand outputs. Our focus is not on overwhelming users with data, but on delivering clarity and confidence. The aim is to make advanced technology usable, reliable, and meaningful for farmers and agribusinesses. The benefits of this approach are very clear. For farmers, reduce risk and uncertainty, optimize input usage, improve productivity, better seasonal planning. For agribusinesses and institutions, better field level visibility, improved decision confidence, scalable monitoring across regions. This creates value across the entire agricultural ecosystem. To conclude, satellite data enables a shift from reactive farming to proactive farming. It helps us detect problems early, understand field variability, make smarter data backed decisions. From space to soil, satellite insights are reshaping how modern agriculture operates, making it more efficient, sustainable, and resilient. Okay, thank you so much for your time and attention. I hope this sessions helped simplify satellite data and showed how it can support real farm decisions.